Do you want to know what $1.3 million gets you in downtown Vancouver? Come with me. Welcome to the Pacific, where no amount of detail has been overlooked. You can see even the entryway here, beautiful marble tile. You have this amazing 24-hour concierge, so everything can be protected from your guests coming in and out to your parcels. The whole point of buying into this complex is obviously the luxury lifestyle, so you also want the luxury amenities. And what's really cool, this is the unit right here, 301. Each floor has its own private gym. You have access right here. You have copious amounts of cardio equipment, as well as a full squat rack and barbells. Not only do you have this amazing space to get your fitness in, you also have access. Right now, obviously it's February, but this common area with outdoor barbecue, things of that nature, so you can congregate with your friends, have all your parties, and take it outside as well. Welcome to the Pacific. This 900 square foot luxury apartment boasts all the luxury fixtures that you are needing. Wolf appliances, Melee appliances, and you can see the beautiful marble backsplash to the built-in cabinetry. This is everything that you're wanting when it comes to luxury living. Not to mention, as we open up into the space here, you have oversized windows that are double glazed, so even though we're on the street, you don't hear a speck of traffic. Heating and cooling, so you have your air conditioning, so you feel nice and comfortable in the summer as well. Come check out the rest of the property. The benefit of buying into this unit, because it's so new, they're also building out the community here as well. You can see just across the street, Fresh Street Market, Scotiabank. You have a bunch of amenities at your fingertips, not to mention Granville Island, the seawall, a bunch of restaurants, and you have these unobstructed views, because this was actually one of the first homes that was ever built here in Vancouver, a 19th century home that will protect your sightlines. This is why you want to buy this unit and live right here in Vancouver. In less than 10 minutes, you're right here on the seawall. You have Granville Island over there if you want to catch dinner at the Keg, at Tap and Barrel. And obviously you have these amazing views, the North Shore Mountains, the Pacific Ocean, and everything else that is Vancouver. My name is Kyle Mark from the Kyle Mark Real Estate Group, powered by eXp Realty. Welcome home.